Alright everyone, we are here at a Circle K in Las Vegas, and they have a self-loading NS tunnel. So there's our pay station. It's a Vortex brand car wash. So that's entrance right there. So, if we come over here, we can see that it is in fact an NS tunnel. So, let's walk through it. Or have that. So, there's that. We have a, looks like a high pressure arch. Looks like it's an NS lamb's cloth tunnel. We got some wraps here. Some rinses. And some aero dry dryers. And some NS buff and dry. Which is right here. And then you have some tire shine. So now let's go through it. Alright, here we go. Like I said, it's a self-loading conveyor. So, once you get to the green start button, you have to just press it, and then you'll go in. You're not quite on the conveyor. A little bit more. Alright. Push to start.
We're moving.
Uh-huh. You should probably roll up the window.
Probably.
Should probably make sure that all the windows are up. Alright, here we go. My first NS tunnel. Nice conveyor. Okay, we've got some sprayers down there. Whoa! High pressure. We've got an NS bubbleizer. And a lamb's cloth midder curtain. And some lamb's cloth rocker brushes. This is what I was talking about in the car wash show that I didn't like. The like actual just full-on cloth and absorbs all the dirt and whatnot. Who knows when the last time these brushes were cleaned. It does look soft though. This is apparently ceramic wax. These are aero dry dryers. They're actually working surprisingly well. Whoa! I didn't even know that was a midder curtain. We've got some drying brushes up the front there. Getting the mirrors real well.
It bent the mirrors.
And push them back. Thankfully, they're designed to do that, so no harm, no foul. We had a lot of bugs on our windshield, and it looks like we got them all off, so...
I actually see a bunch of bugs still.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Here.
Oh.
Here. Here.
Yeah. Nice mirror curtains, car wash. Alright. You're probably supposed to be going right now.
Okay, let's go.
So, what did you think of that car wash?
You know, I think I'd give it a 6.
I would say more like a 5. It looked like it was falling apart.
All right.
So, yeah, it's not all that great. The lamb's cloth especially, I don't like. So, yeah, overall I would say this is a good car wash in a pinch, but I wouldn't pay the $20 for the top wash. That's not worth $20, even though it has the full buff and dry. Buff and dry, really? Like, look at that. There's so much water left. So, yeah, I don't think I'd recommend this car wash. So, yeah, that's the NS Tunnel at the Circle K. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.